Hey there, welcome to another short video on solving a LeetCode problem with APL. In this video we're going to be tackling problem 2236, root equals sum of children. Okay, so this feels like it's going to be a tree problem. Let's see, you are given the root of a binary tree that consists of exactly 3 nodes. The root, its left child and its right child. Return true if the value of the root is equal to the sum of the values of its 2 children, or false otherwise. Okay, and the binary tree is given in this order. So we take the root, the left, and the right child. Fine. So let's see, can we get an example of a tree? 531. So this is a tree. Now what you can do is, well, you can do this in so many ways. You can index directly and check if it matches or not, for example, and in this case it doesn't match. So this is me indexing into the root and then indexing into the children and summing the children. Another thing you can do is check if the sum of the tree equals 2 times the root, and it doesn't. So actually, let me change this into a tree where it does. So this evaluates to true, this also evaluates to true, and I like this solution because for some reason I don't like indexing that much, so this is a more direct way. Summing everything means I'm summing the children and the root, so that's why we have 2 times the root here. One of the times is to account for the root that was added, and the other to check if it matched the children. Or if you prefer, we can check if the root matches the sum of everything but the root. Yeah, there are plenty of ways to do this. So yeah, these were just some expressions that work. Can we write a tacit one just for the fun of it? So let's see. What we can do is we can check if the first matches the sum of the drop. So for example, this works. This is the a tacit version of this. 2 times the peak. 2 times the first time. I'm trying to see if I can. I'm not the best at writing tacit functions, and I wanted to see if I could easily write one that didn't have nesting. So that's why I was looking at this one. This is 2 times the first. Yeah, so that one is a nice one. So what we can do is we can check if the sum equals the 2 times the first of t. So that's why this one is nice, because it doesn't have much nesting, and the number of functions is just about correct to make this train work easily. So the way you parse this is, or one way you can parse this is by just typing the train in and then letting the session print this out in a nice format. So you can see that the equals is in the middle of the fork, and now this is the left tine, which is the sum. So we're going to sum t, and we're going to check if that is equal to this fork. But the left tine of this fork, this is a constant, so it's just going to be 2 times the result of this. So it's the first of t, which is the root. So the root 2 times the root, is that equal to the sum of the whole tree. So this is the tacit version of this expression. So I guess that's it for this problem. I'm sure you guys can come up with many other different expressions, and well, be it tacit or not, so make sure to share those, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.